Welcome back to Ever Wonder Why. Today we're diving into something that sounds like pure science fiction, but it's closer to reality than you might think. We all dream of a future with better health, for ourselves, our families, and our communities. A future where diseases are detected early, treatments are more effective, and healthcare is accessible to everyone. Quantum artificial intelligence is bringing that future closer than ever before. We're talking about dramatically improved clarity in medical imaging, leading to faster, more accurate diagnoses. A revolution in drug discovery, shrinking development times from years to mere months. Truly personalized treatment plans, tailored to your unique genetic makeup. Surgical precision enhanced by the power of quantum optimization. And equitable distribution of life-saving resources like vaccines to those who need them most. This is the promise of quantum AI, a future of healthier lives for all of us. Dad, I'm seeing all these headlines about quantum something revolutionizing medicine. Quantum AI cures cancer? Doctors get quantum superpowers? It sounds like science fiction. Is any of this actually real?
It does sound like science fiction, Alex, and some of those headlines are definitely exaggerating. But the core idea that quantum computing and AI are going to fundamentally change healthcare, that's very real. And it's happening faster than most people realize. We're not talking about instant cures tomorrow, but we are talking about a potential revolution. Ever wonder why this technology is so groundbreaking?
Yeah. I mean, will doctors have like Star Trek tricorders that can diagnose anything instantly?
Not quite that instantly, but think of it this way. Imagine a doctor trying to find a single, tiny clue hidden in a library full of millions of books. That's what diagnosing some diseases is like today.
Impossible.
Nearly. But quantum AI is like giving that doctor a superpowered search engine that can analyze all those books simultaneously and not just read the words, but understand the meaning behind them, the hidden connections. It's not magic, but it's the closest thing to it in the world of medicine. It's about giving doctors tools far more powerful than anything they have now.
Okay, so not magic wands, but superpowered tools, but quantum. Isn't that like really complicated physics stuff?
It is, but the basic idea is surprisingly simple, and the impact it's going to have on your health and everyone's health is enormous. Think about things like finding cures for diseases that are currently incurable, like certain cancers or Alzheimer's. We are talking the traditional 10-year, multi-billion-dollar process to possibly months and a fraction of the cost. And treatments designed specifically for your body based on your genes, not just a one-size-fits-all approach. Detecting diseases like cancer years earlier when they're much easier to treat. Optimizing scheduling and resource allocation so waiting times and supply shortages become a problem of the past. This isn't some distant future, Alex. Companies like IBM are exploring quantum computing's potential in drug discovery. Google's quantum AI research has applications in optimizing medical imaging and developing more accurate diagnostic tools. And Microsoft's Azure quantum platform provides access to quantum computing resources for healthcare researchers. Pharmaceutical giants like Merck have engaged in collaborations with quantum computing startups like HQS Quantum Simulations, and Roche and its Genentech are implementing lab-in-a-loop strategies where AI models are trained with data from lab and clinical trials to improve drug target prediction and molecule design.
Wow, that is incredible. It makes you think, if this technology had been around 5 years ago, maybe they could have caught grandma's breast cancer sooner. The doctors said if they'd found it just 6 months earlier.
I know, Alex. I've thought about that too. It's hard not to. It probably wouldn't have been a guaranteed cure, even then, but it certainly could have given her a much better chance, maybe even saved her. That's the real potential here. It's not just about abstract science, it's about giving people more time and healthier lives.
Okay. Superpowered tools sound amazing. If you're curious like me and want to see where this goes, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out.